Hey guys, Chaz with Battle Born Offroad here. I've got this brand new 2025 GMC 1500 Elevation with the Duramax engine in it. We just wrapped up putting a 6-inch BDS snap ring coilover system on it, and it looks great. We've got some 35-inch Toyo tires on here. Let's check out the system and see what we did. This system falls between the existing 4 and 6-inch lift kit options, with the entry level being the standard strut spacer kit, and the top of the line being the full-blown Fox 2.5 remote reservoir with DSC coilover system. This new suspension system utilizes the tried and true high clearance independent front suspension design that has made BDS the preferred suspension lift for new Chevy and GM trucks. This system will correct the suspension and steering geometry and maintain good stock style driveline geometry for improved on-road comfort as well as more off-road performance. These kits come with a 3-piece heavy-duty front skid plate system that creates a rigid subframe while adding protection for vital steering and driveline components. In place of the factory steering knuckles, a pair of specially designed cast ductile iron replacement knuckles are supplied to maintain proper steering geometry for electronic stability control system compatibility. These connect to the factory steering with a pair of heavy-duty replacement tie rod ends that are included in the kit. The front differential is repositioned with BDS's multi-point relocation bracket, tied into the frame and control arm pockets to further secure the front differential and keep CV axle angles at a minimum. This system will easily clear 35-inch tires or 37s if you're willing to do a little bit of trimming. These BDS suspension systems are American-made in Coldwater, Michigan. All of these BDS suspension systems are backed by their Factory Protection Plus warranty, offering peace of mind for your adventure. This is a no BS, no fine print, 5-year, 100,000-mile drivetrain warranty. So there you have it. If you're looking to lift up your new Sierra or Chevy HD truck, look no further than BDS. And if you're looking for the #1 BDS distributor and installer in Las Vegas, look no further than Battle Born Offroad. Check us out online, battlebornoffroad.com. Give us a call or come on into the shop and talk with one of our experienced sales reps.